Hey, what's up, snow fighters? It's Mike with KAGE Innovation here. Wanted to talk to you guys about another new product today. Let's go check it out. Sitting right outside front. Now, what we're looking at here is, now this is not the right sticker. This is still, this is like the second prototype we've got of the SnowStorm Blast. So that says Snow Fire. So you guys know that the Snow Fire series is for our skid loaders, compact wheel loaders, and 50 horsepower tractors. This one here, the Snow Fire, has a 32-inch tall moldboard. The SnowStorm, which is commonly used on wheel loaders 15,000 pounds to 30,000 pounds and tractors 100 horsepower plus, has a 36-inch moldboard. So what we've done is adapted the moldboard a little differently. So normally there's a rib, there's a dual rib that comes down here, and then inside of that rib can be mounted the hydraulic cylinder to lock the box on. So now we've just extended the outer box form, the tri-form box that we're so well known for, all the way to the end rib, put in this hole cap here so that we can still run our hoses out to that. So now this moldboard is universal for a dumb pusher box. Not so dumb, because it still has our oscillation feature, it still has our trip edge, and it's inexpensive. Couple of quick things on this box. You'll see it still has the slot plate. So that has the oscillation in it. Never mind these things up here for now. We'll talk about that in a second. But as you can see, this slot plate, it will allow oscillation on these slots. And it kind of looks like a bucket mount, doesn't it? Well, that is a bucket mount, but you can also have a 3-point bolt that goes through those holes right there. So you can attach your lower lift arms to that. And then there's a top link hole for this. So you can have a top link with category 2 3-point hitch attached to this pusher. You can also have your bucket mount, and that's what these are for. I'll throw a snapshot in the video of how it's assembled, as well as our common quick attaches. It uses the same skids on the SnowStorm as on the Snow Fire Extreme. So they're plenty long for both. As you can see, you still got a lot of carrying capacity in this guy. And we also have that optioned with our carbide advantage system. So that's a floating cutting edge system that travels 1 3/8 inches up and down. And these brackets are also universal to both the SnowStorm and the Snow Fire. Of course, we've been making quote-unquote pushers for 15, 16 years now, but our normal ones detach. So you're familiar with those, the 2-in-1 system. And I want to go out to the yard now and show you guys quickly. The blast that I'm going to show you is going to be, it's an example of how we're shipping our new blast in 2024. In 2023, it was the launch, and we shipped them all fully assembled, standing upright on the pallet, which is a little tippy. So if you've ordered a blast from your local dealer, don't be surprised if it comes looking like this, something out of a Star Wars movie. So what you have to do is loosen that one bolt there that you see, and then it flips down, and you attach it, the other 2 bolts, to get it into position. Oh, there's one other thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about today, and it's our laser cutting capacity or capability. About a couple years ago, we installed a big 10 kilowatt laser, and the 10 kilowatt means that we can cut up to 1.5 inch thick mild steel with that thing, which normally would be either flame cut or water jet or plasma. Problem with flame or plasma is it's not very accurate. This is our laser setup that I was just talking about. So it's got 2 beds, roll in and out of that door. And this is the engine. Up top, there's all kinds of dust collection, computer equipment, air compressor, and this is the operator station. So as you can see, we got some sheets in here, and this is the table that goes, this is the upper table that goes in and out. This has changed the game for our R&D capacity, our lead times, and given us the ability to really turn prototypes or, you know, mistakes. If there's a problem out on the shop floor and we got to remake a part, that has been a game changer for how we can manufacture these plows. The laser has also given us the capacity to change the way we design stuff. So for example, this steel right here is 1.5 inches thick. Or over here on this Snowfire, these common hooks that we used to have laser or flame cut are now being cut on our laser. Again, 1.5 inch thick mild steel. So the ability for us to cut a thin slab of this like that and then have a cavity that this skid can ride up into has just been enormous. So design perspective, manufacturing perspective, we're really excited to be able to have that now and improve the way we launch products, build them, design them, and their fit and function for you guys. All right, I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek at the SnowStorm Blast. I'm looking forward to SIMA when we will officially launch all these new products. We'll have them all displayed in our 20x50 booth. And I can't wait to show you guys and talk about all your experiences this last winter. Have a good day.